Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about the best LMS for healthcare and medical. So if you're looking for a medical LMS for healthcare, check out Lifter LMS. There's a link below this video. We have tons of clients in the medical LMS niche, ranging from career training to continuing education to test prep, and so many niches within the medical field. All you need to do is click the link below this video and go to the Lifter LMS website. You can click on Learn up here and click on Is Lifter LMS for you? Now, there's a couple of different ways to test drive the LMS. I'm going to recommend the 30-day demo site, which you can click on here, and then you can get your demo site for $1. And what you want to look at is the for school, for medical or healthcare schools. Now, this can work whether you are a official school or a certification body or a hospital trying to train employees or team members, or maybe you have a niche healthcare practice like in chiropractic or psychology. Really, the ways we see Lifter LMS used in the medical LMS for healthcare niche is quite varied. Once you click on the school template and get your demo site, it looks just like this. And this is a demo site for an occupational therapist. So you can click through and see a possible way the LMS is being used. You can go into the back end of the website and see what's going on in the student dashboard, all the various courses, pick up, keep going in the training. There's an e-commerce element. So if you're actually selling the courses for continuing education credits or for test prep, so people can get jobs in fields like nursing or niche doctor professions or other hospital roles, it's all possible with Lifter LMS. There's quizzing, there's assignments. You can add gamification with achievement badges. You can do text, video, and audio content, PDF content, PowerPoint content, interactive content. There's really no limit to what you can put inside your medical LMS for healthcare. Click the link below this video and get your demo site so you can see what it's like to use the world's most powerful, customizable, secure learning management system for medical and healthcare. You're really going to love it. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop a comment below this video, and I look forward to seeing you over at Lifter LMS. And keep in mind, with Lifter LMS, there is no per seat pricing. One of the main reasons people choose Lifter LMS for their medical LMS for healthcare is that the bill does not get more expensive the more successful you get, the more students you have. That's a huge benefit to you as a medical LMS or healthcare operator. You can keep your costs down. Check out Lifter LMS, click the link below this video, and we look forward to supporting you, bringing your medical learning management system project to life.